This is how you may secure your AWS Root user account. Usually, after creating a new AWS account, AWS will send you an email to your root user email, which will contain a link that will enable you to log into your root user account. To be able to set up a multi-factor authentication, you will need to log out and come back to this login screen and then proceed from here. First step is to re-enter your email address on the field provided and click Next. On the next screen, enter your password and click Next as well. Enter the verification code that you will receive in your email. Once you have entered the verification code, you will get this prompt. To keep your account secure, registering your MFA for root credentials will be required in 35 days. You may have the option to skip this for now, but of course, you should set this up immediately. So let's take one of the methods here. Amongst all the options, AWS recommends that you use the passkey or security key. These methods will enable you to authenticate using your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. And you can create that on this device right now. But then, assuming you want to use the Authenticator app, you go ahead, select the Authenticator app, and go to the Play Store and download the Google Authenticator app. Then click on the Next button. Using your Google Authenticator app, scan the QR code that will be displayed right here and enter 6 digits for your Google Authenticator app right here. And then register your MFA. So each time you need to log in to your root user account, it will require a 6-digit code from your Google Authenticator app. So thank you for watching this short video. Do remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos.